Babe, can you open this, please?
Come on.
Is what kind of adhesive them lock this with, man? After me can't bust this. Yo, now make me have to use my real strength, you know. Alright, watch it. Bounty killer. Nah, man, me can't make her things, me can't do it, you know. Alright, watch it.
Yo, baby, hold it. You can't open it, man. My hand too sweaty.
Hello? We can talk to Kerry. Yeah, man, I mean, man. You give me your number today, don't? Yeah. Say that, Pam, baby. You know, say you look nice still, don't? How you come from? Which country you come from? For real? Yeah, me can see it still, you know. But yeah, what, baby, you see me now. Me is a man, me come in like Freddy Krueger, you understand? Me is a man of your jeans. Every time you shake your eye, me did it, don't?
Why? Hold him back! Bumblefoot, I mean one body lyrics, yo, me that's a beats are really lyrics, you see me, party? Black said, yo, check it, me have a ride on down here, you know, cause down here I have to go in like Guinness Book of World Records for the best road boy chat up live. Rouse, me impress myself, rouse. Yeah, me like it. Lyrics, mad something that.
Hello? Yeah, me still there. Hello? You okay? That's it.
God. Yeah, me alright, you know me, Dan. You know, someone a soldier about them place, you know. Me not feel pain, you know. Pain feel me, dog. Oh.
That me. Oh, God, let her go drop off. Oh, for Jesus, help me. Alright, it's better now. Shit, that did hurt still though. Kiss me neck.
Yo, people, we just want to thank you for watching the video still. Don't forget, Virgin. Don't forget, dog. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and rate. Yeah, as you can see, my son just bother my case right now. Virgin, say something. No, don't beat up the laptop. Say something. Virgin, stop. Yeah, say what? Go on.